Hackers steal data through pod slurping by using portable storage devices, such as iPods, USB, flash devices, and personal digital assistants, to download confidential data from a computer directly. This is done by plugging the device into the computer, even if it is behind a firewall. Special software on the thief's device can automatically search the computer it is connected to for any sensitive information and then download, or slurp, the information to the device. This type of software can easily be downloaded from the internet. Slurping is automated and very simple for an attacker, usually an insider or someone who has access to the business, to steal important information from the business. All that is needed is the device, software, and the opportunity to connect the device to the computer. The anatomy of a pod slurping attack. Attacker performed this attack into 4 steps. Number 1. Identify potential targets. Hackers search for vulnerable system with valuable data that can be accessed through USB ports. Number 2. Connect storage device. Hacker plugs a portable storage device, such as an iPod or USB stick, into the target computer's USB port. Number 3. Copy the data. The hacker then uses simple file transfer techniques to copy the desired data from the computer onto the connected storage device. Number 4. Remove the storage device. Once the data transfer is complete, the hacker unplugs the storage device and leaves the target computer without a trace of attack. Some softwares that facilitates unauthorized data transfer. Juice jacking allows hackers to install malicious program on a victim's device when it connected to a compromised charging station. If your battery is running low, be aware that juicing up your electronic device at free USB port charging stations, such as those found in airports and hotel lobbies, might have unfortunate consequences. You could become a victim of juice jacking, yet another cyber theft tactic. Cybersecurity experts warn that bad actors can load malware onto public USB charging stations to maliciously access electronic devices while they are being charged. Malware installed through a corrupted USB port can lock a device or export personal data and passwords directly to the perpetrator. Criminals can then use that information to access online accounts or sell it to other bad actors. So protect yourself from this kind of attack. You should use USB data blocker. Or make sure you have your own adapter. Be careful when you charge in your mobile and other station. Pegasus, a powerful spyware that can be installed on a device remotely, giving hackers complete access to the target's sensitive data. Data Dumpler enables hackers to quickly copy large amounts of data from a target system onto their own storage device. USB Switchblade, a pre-configured USB drive designed to automatically exploit vulnerabilities in the target system. The role of endpoint security solutions for pod slurping are: device control, manage and restrict the types of devices that can connect to your network. Data encryption, encrypt sensitive data to prevent unauthorized access in case of theft or loss. Malware protection, detect and block malicious software that could be used to exploit vulnerabilities and extract data. Application control, control and monitor the application that can run on your devices to prevent unauthorized data transfer.